Hey, what's going on again, guys? Anyways, I'm sure you've seen my video, my crash, and actually the last video of the wreck bike rebuild on the CB500F. I'm going to show you what I've done to it and the parts that I have on it, because some of them I've changed on here as well. But again, I apologize about the noise, so if you can bear with me and deal with that, I can show you what I've done to the bike and the new parts that are on there. Okay, so basically you all know I wrecked the bike and I needed to put the new parts on it. Got everything on here. Everything is OEM on here that I replaced except for the exhaust. Other than what I did is I wanted to put a crash bar on this thing because they look pretty cool and they don't get in the way, but they're kind of expensive, and I just figured that I would just use the regular frame sliders. So what I did is I used an RNG frame slider. I got those at RevZilla. They're really easy to install. They got a video on how to install them and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested for your CB500F, I guess from 13 to 2022, you can get these for your bike. And they're pretty much the same. You know, they just bolt on right here for those Euro bikes. Also, what I did is it looked like to me that the frame slider wouldn't actually like save the clutch cover. So what I did is I went and bought a GB Racing cover for the side of my clutch case on my bike. So if that happens again, this thing is really stout. I paid 87 bucks for it at RevZilla.com. I do a lot of my shopping through RevZilla. With stuff like this, if I want to get good quality parts, it's going to last a long time. So I know these can take I watched a video a kid had from, I think it was STS or something like that. He did like 5 races with this thing and actually crashed on with this on there, this exact same cover that's on there, quite a few times, and finally they took it off and they replaced it with another one. So I mean, it's up to you guys. I think it's worth it. It saves the engine casing. I wish I would have had that before, because it would have just tore that up and it would have saved some money on me having to buy that case. And then also what I did is I put these carbon fiber, I got these off of eBay. They're carbon fiber. I got them from China, but they're carbon fiber, and they're an exact fit. I had no issues with putting these on. They fit perfect on there, and you can see the quality and the detail in these things, and they look really nice. They're high quality, but they're from China, eBay. And then let's see what else. I changed the levers. They're blue levers. They're just an MZX, cheaper version of MZXs are the ones that I have on my GS. I think I paid like 40 bucks for the levers. And then, of course, you guys know about the blinkers. I showed an install on that, and then the Givy windscreen. And I did have to get myself a different set of mirrors because I couldn't find the same ones that I had. So I just went with a little different mirror. These are like the newer style mirrors that comes with like the Z900s and the Z650s, but they're a little bit. I can see a little bit better out of these, but there's a scratch in them, and I showed that on my last video. I think I paid like 13 bucks for them, but so there was not really any loss there as far as the levers and the mirrors. I mean, they were as cheap as all get out. So I mean, but you can see the bike, it's clean. I put the new tires on there, and I've already ridden with them on. They still haven't taken the nipples off of them yet. I've only ridden this bike twice back and forth to work. This is about what our day looks like right now. It just cleared up not too long ago, and when I got up this morning, it was rainy, wet, and cold. And it's going to be like that for the rest of the week until we get to probably Wednesday and Thursday, and it's supposed to be really, really nice. It's supposed to be in the 70s. So I'm definitely going to be riding this thing a lot more than what I did last year. I didn't ride it that much, and just because I was super busy and I was working on the GS, trying to get that done and trying to ride that, and then everything else happening. But basically, I just wanted to show you guys what I've done to the 500. It's all back into running in top-notch shape. Nothing wrong with it. Like I said, structurally, nothing happened to the bike, so it's in perfect condition. Everything turned out really good. So yeah, anyways, you guys stay tuned for more of my videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more rides. I'm going to try to do some meet and greets too as well. I also got another project that has absolutely nothing to do with bikes. It has to do with cars. I'm not going to let that linger on, but I'm doing a car build. So you guys hang in there with me, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. And thanks to everybody that's subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And like I said, you guys take care. And if you're out there riding, please be safe. And we'll talk to you later. Peace.